I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Twitch Rainbow Six Siege, easy method. Pick Twitch, focus on disabling cameras with shock drones, and prioritize disabling enemy gadgets early. Use her AR or SMG for medium range and deploy drones aggressively to scout. Communicate simple callouts, mark gadgets, and practice pre-firing common angles. Warm up in Terrorist Hunt to learn recoil and sensitivity. Then play casual matches to build timing and confidence. Choose weapons and attachments that suit medium range and mobility, like the F2 or 417 on defenders versus attackers. Equip breach or utility that complements your team role. Prioritize stun grenades or nitro for entry denial, and bring a claymore if you anchor. Adjust sensitivity to track drones and aim smoothly, and customize crosshair spacing mentally. Spend time learning recoil patterns and swap attachments until you feel consistent and comfortable. Quick recommendation: if you're grinding long sessions, stay hydrated with the Oala water bottle for easy sipping between matches. It keeps water cold and fits cup holders, making it handy on long gaming nights. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a cooler session while you play. Now let's get back to the video. Start rounds with aggressive drone scouting to mark positions and clear roamers before pushing. Enter with soft breaches or coordinated flashes and watch for common spawn peak angles. Stick near teammates for trades and use drones to deny diffuser plant spots. Rotate quietly when sight is unsafe and cut off rotations using established callouts. Keep an economy mindset and adapt your role when team composition changes to maintain pressure and utility efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.